Hi. Most people enjoy playing games on their phones and computers, and most of these games are free of charge. Yeah? And you don't have to spend any money by playing these games. If you have some Wi-Fi or data that you will use, and you will run with these softwares, these websites that I will show you how to earn money with them. You do not have to invest a single shilling. So the first website is Swagbucks. This is Swagbucks. You can come here and join today. When you join, they will give you some cash or Swagbuck coins for starters. And you can come and join here today. If you have an account, you sign in. But I have an account, so I will go ahead and sign in. I'll sign in with my Google account. This is the home page. It will give you all the things that Swagbucks is offering. At the top, you will see they will show you even your earnings and here it is your account and the rewards that you have. So these are the offers that they have. They have offers like make an Uber Eat order and earn 1,000 SB. When you do that, when you order and you earn 1,000 SDs, you can the 1,000 SDs, you can get gift cards on them or even get direct money on your PayPal account. So there is the free puzzle game, and there are more of these games. They have games which you can play on your Android phone or even your the iPhones. So they have partners also. These partners may you may find service on certain products, or even you may get some of these partners have also games that you can play. So this is one of their partners, and this as you can see, they have offers on mobile phones, desktops, and others. So for me, I've been playing this game, Magnet Miner, just for testing, and I've earned some few Swagbuck coins. I've not yet completed all the levels, but when you complete all the levels, you will get the 1,101 coins. As you can see, I'm still I've mined up to depth 100, but I'll continue on another video. I'll show you how I've earned. So after every level, you earn some coins. When you get to the 550, you get 3 SDs. When you get to 1,000, when you get 5,000, depth 5,000, you get 712 SDs. So that's how it works. And you may sometimes even you do shopping, they will pay you either cashbacks or rewards, and sometimes they have surveys. The second website which you can earn with by playing games, and remember these games you can play with your computer or your phone. The second one is called Andorado. This is the second one, and it works more of the same as swag bags. So you come and join, and you will earn some extra cash with it. So you will sign up, and you get gift cards. The interface is the same. You see, they are telling you you will play games and earn. You'll have surveys, you'll have quiz, and even watch videos and earn. So you just come here and sign up. You'll come and sign up. You may just enter your you may sign up with Facebook or Google. I have a Google account, so I log in with my Google account. To use your Google account on most of the website, as long as you don't have the same password, it is fast when you have to log on most of the website. So let me log in. So I have an ad blocker, so it may not work to its fullest. So you see, already they are giving me offers. So they are telling me to click to subscribe to push notification, and I will win 50 points. So when I allow push notification, I will get 50 points. You see on the home, this is their home page. Yeah, so they have their offers. So they have offers, they have surveys, they have tournaments, referrals. So you will earn with these apps by just doing small tasks, mostly by gaming and answering surveys. And the good thing about Andorado, they have a Telegram account. When they have special offers, they will post it on their Telegram account, and you will have to go to your Telegram account and log in to get that special offer. So thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe down below. I'll see you in the next video.